Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. People often ask how I edit my videos and thumbnails, so today I'm helping you guys out and sharing a few tips and tricks. So I film and edit on an iPhone, but I'm pretty sure there are similar apps on Android. The apps I use are iMovie, Vilo, InShot, Foodie, and Fonto. iMovie is great for cutting and speeding up clips, as well as adding voiceovers and music. On Vilo, you can add text, borders, stickers, just some really cool stuff. InShot has quite a few features, but I mainly use it to filter videos. Thumbnails are really important. They're what entice the viewer to watch your video, so I use Foodie to filter. And to add text and stickers to my thumbnail, I use the app Fonto. Okay, let's begin editing. First, I cut and trim clips. On iMovie, tap the plus sign to import what you've recorded. We will be chopping down this 39-minute clip to only about 4 or 5. This is also when I'll mute my clips. By tapping the little volume button, you can scroll up or down to change the volume. I like to keep mine muted. To edit something out, scroll to the end of the clip and hit split. Delete the rest. I do this throughout the video just to shorten things up. Next, I change the speed of my clips. This makes the video less boring. So select where you want it to start and end by tapping split. Hit the timer, and this is where you can slow or speed things up. It can be as slow as 1/8 times or 2 times as fast. I usually speed up parts where I'm mixing something. Next, add voiceovers like this one here. Tap the plus sign and hit the microphone. Next, hit record and begin speaking. There will be a countdown beforehand. Once done, hit stop and you'll have 4 options. You can cancel the recording, retake, review, or accept. I add a few of these to help explain what I'm doing. Music is a really fun way to help spice up your video. I find mine off YouTube by screen recording. You can search for something such as aesthetic copyright-free music or hear a few of my favorite artists. To import your music, open up iMovie and hit the plus sign. Find your recording and import it as an audio only. to make my music quieter when I'm speaking and louder when I'm not. When done with that, you can save the video to your camera roll. I recommend saving at HD. On Villa, I like to add text. So create a video, and you can change the size, but I keep mine at 16 by 9. There are a ton of features on here. So hit the capital T, which will open up this. There are a lot of preset text styles. One of my favorites is Today. By tapping on the text, you can write out whatever you want it to say. I usually add a little hi or hey at the beginning of all my videos. This video isn't sponsored or anything, but I love how you can change the color and add shadows or not. There's a lot you can control. I kept mine as is, but by dragging the blue bar, you can change how long you want the text to be on screen for. Here I'm just going through the video to make sure everything looks good. To have that aesthetically pleasing look, you can have borders on your video. So I'll select a clip and split where I want the border to begin and end. Next, hit the resize button. You can pinch in or out. Once adjusted to your liking, hit done. Now tap the background button and you can change the color. There's like literally every color of the rainbow. You can even make your own. I kept mine white and hit done. This is what it looks like. You can also add a few cute stickers. Tap the star and a bunch of motion stickers will appear. They have everything from numbers to arrows to drawings. If you find something you like, you can tap on it to change the size and move it around. You can even tilt or rotate it. Some stickers have animations, such as this rainbow. By dragging the yellow bar, you can adjust how long it stays on screen. You also have access to the opacity, color, and even animations. I like to review the video pretty often to check for mistakes. Then I save it to my camera roll. The final step are filters. In InShot, I import my new video. By default, this app makes your video square, so you can change this by tapping on Canvas. Now remove the watermark and your first time's free. So click on the filters button, and I like to use the one called Bright. I usually set the filter at about 40 to 50%. I also boost the lightness and warmth a bit. Go through and check everything looks good. And save the video one last time. This can take a while. Now for thumbnails. I start by filtering. In Foodie, I import my photo and hit edit. I like to up the brightness by 20 and play around with the shadows and highlights. The filter I use, this YU one, and I bring it down to about 40%. I'm also upping the warmth a bit. Every picture is different, so you just have to work around with it until you're happy. Once satisfied, I save the picture to my camera roll. Now let's add some text and stickers to this thumbnail. Opening up Fonto, I'm importing the picture from my camera roll. Tap on the image and write out a title. Here are a few of my favorite fonts which I download from Fonto. You can adjust the size and move the text around. I also like to add a little caption to interest the viewer. To make the text stand out, hit Style and add a shadow. I also added a few star stickers by tapping Add Item. You could even pop on a border. Save it to your camera roll and done. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'd also love to hear your video requests. A like and subscribe is appreciated. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!